Tonight, $7 million in extra earnings for cane farmers because of trade certification, Fiji-Korea relations strong 40 years on, and Georgian minister speaks rugby. Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. Sugar buyers Tate and Lyle have committed to buying 60,000 tons of fair trade sugar from Fiji for the 2011 season. This means about $7 million in extra earnings for cane farmers, both in the northern and western divisions. This as the Fair Trade Certification Initiative was launched yesterday for cane growers in the Western Division.
The Fair Trade Certification Initiative is a product certification system designed to allow cane producers to meet certain standards of cane production quality. The initiative first launched by the Prime Minister Commando Vorange Bainimarama in the Northern Division last year, mobilized farmers to form the Labasa Cane Producers Association. Under the program, farmers worked hard to meet standards of quality to receive certification from the Fair Trade Certifying Authority in Germany. Labasa farmers succeeded in getting this certification on the 25th of January this year. Because of the certification, sugar buyers Tate and Lyle paid Labasa growers $60 per ton of sugar for the 2010 season. 38,000 tons were produced, translating to $4.2 million in earnings. Western growers expect to benefit from the same program.
Although the fair trade premium payments will not reach cane growers' pocket individually, it will benefit us collectively through the funding of social and economically driven community projects, which we ourselves will decide. This will also give us, cane growers, empowerment and would significantly reduce our dependence on government for financial assistance for cane development and related community development programs.
For its part, sugar buyers Tate and Lyle says all Fijian cane farmers can benefit from the preferential payment.
Clear vision, hard work and a successful outcome will enable all Fijian cane farmers to benefit from the premium this year, and it will also provide Tate and Lyle sugars with an extension to our fair trade range.
Fiji and Korea celebrated 40 years of diplomatic relations at the Novotel Hotel in Lamy last night. It coincided with the commemoration of National Foundation Day of the Southeast Asian Republic.
Fiji established diplomatic relations with Korea in 1970. Being aligned to a country that grew from being little known to an economic superpower has brought enormous trade, technical developments and aid for Fiji. Korea is the first country to recognize Fiji's independence. Korea and Fiji engage on many fronts, from the United Nations, diplomatic visitations, tourism to sharing music, even drama.
More recently, Fiji has become a home away from home for many young Korean students to learn English. The friendship incubated over 40 years is today manifested by increasing popularity of Korean music and drama among Fijians. In May this year, a Korean company donated 220 digital pianos and 1,000 blackboards to primary schools in Fiji. This donation, valued at $500,000, was a genuine act of goodwill, as the company has no business interest in Fiji. These snapshots are promising omen for thriving future bilateral relations based on the spirit of mutual respect and co-prosperity. So I anticipate the advent of the next decade of our bilateral relations in excitement.
Ambassador Heowok Chung paid tribute to the late former President Ratusir Kamsasemara with a video of his visit to the Republic in 1978.
The strengthening of friendly relations between our countries and the continued progress and prosperity of the Republic of Korea.
Georgian Foreign Affairs Minister Grigol Vashadze was engaged in meetings with senior government officials in Suva this morning. An issue that cropped up during discussions is the closer relationships Fiji and Georgia can forge on the rugby field. The possibility of Fijian rugby players making a rugby career in the East European nation was explored.
Mr. Vashadze met with Permanent Secretary for Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, Ms. Saipora Mataikambara, and Deputy Secretary Mr. Ben Lomoloma at the Ministry headquarters in Suva this morning. It's his first visit to the country, one aimed at establishing closer bilateral contacts with leading countries of the Oceania region. Mr. Fashadze says Fiji can export rugby talents to Georgia, an area that both countries can mutually benefit from. It's an area that both countries are expected to engage more on in the future. The visit comes less than 2 weeks after Tuvalu had recognized Georgia's breakaway regions of Abkhazia and South Ossetia. The delegation also met with former Fiji diplomats James Arkoi, and will also call on the Prime Minister tomorrow morning.
After the break, we bring you more on Fiji Today.